So I just did a really interesting SEO test for images. The test is, can Google read the text that's on an image and then will it index it? Will it place it in Google search for other people to find it? And so what I did is I chose a super low search volume keyword to place it on the image so that I wouldn't have to run into too much competition and it'd be super easy to find my website or find my URLs or my images given that I use such a low competition keyword. And so this is the keyword right here. I'm gonna search for it and we're gonna see if my website indexed at all. So that's the first page. And then this is the second page, still nothing. And then that's the third page. So we'll try with omitted results included. Still nothing. Still nothing. And still my website does not appear. But then we can also try without personalization. Go back through all of these search results. So as we can see, the low competition keyword right here, my website, my URL does not appear at all. So now I'm going to show you what's on the website. So on the website, I have a whole bunch of just random content on there talking about other stuff. And then I have an image that just has the keyword. So just so you know, there's no alt text. So what I did is, or what we can do is we can right click it, view page source, control F, and then I can search for the keyword in the static HTML. And we can see that there is the keyword's not anywhere on the page. There's no keyword. So we can see here, I have it on this image, a second image, third, and I just have a whole bunch of images with different variations, right, on this page. I have over 22 different types of images with different fonts, different background colors, different character colors, everything, right? We can even specifically target my website and then search the keyword in Google search to see, hey, does this website have any content or images or anything with this keyword on it? And we can see that there is nothing indexed in Google for that URL or for my website that has that keyword. But then what's really interesting is if we search the keyword and we go to images, you can see right here that the image indexed in images for this specific keyword, but my website did, my URLs didn't. And this is just super interesting to think about because it just makes you question way more about SEO. Now, as you can see, it says this was 19 hours ago. I'm going to wait maybe like a week or two longer and see if there might be a different sub process on Google's end that will come by, and when it crawls, it has a different objective to where it's going to take this is me guessing that it will take the wording in the image and then make it so I can appear in the regular search. Because what I know for sure is that Google has different crawlers, different processes for processing different information. What and so what I'm trying to guess here, my hypothesis is that if I wait another week or two, there might be a sub process that will come by, like a different crawler, a different rendering bot, something different, right? And it will put my URL in the index. So what's also interesting is we can go through this if we wanted to, and we can see all the images that did get indexed by Google and all the images that didn't get indexed by Google on my website. Because then what we can do is we can figure out, we can then do it like a whole bunch of another tests of like, okay, is it specific fonts it can pick up? Is it like a certain colorway? Does it have to be like, why is it able to pick up these four? But when I keep scroll or so nope, we got 5, 6. Let's see. Because I'm trying to see if it all why is it only getting 6? It's just another question and a test that we can run. Why is it not getting all of them? And what can we do so that we can guarantee that it happens every single time? Yeah, that's all of them. I just scrolled down all the way to the bottom. They only got 6 images. So this is just an SEO image test I wanted to do and kind of show off. It really makes me like question, and like it also gives me a whole bunch of new ideas of what to test. And this is what is so fun about testing SEO is figuring out all these little things. And this is also why it leads me to be more empowered when it comes to ranking websites, because I now have done all these tests, so I know all this information. So then I can easily go and rank my clients' websites or Bs.